Okay, so first things you're going to do is you're going to come to Trifecta and you're going to download their Easy Flash. You're going to open it up on your computer and you're going to set it to run. It's going to install everything it needs to install. And then from there, it's a pretty simple process. You just go plug it into your truck. You can open it up and I'll show you how to do that. To find the security code, you send it back to them and Bob's your uncle. You'll be done. All right, once your Trifecta app is downloaded to your laptop, let's go ahead and go to the vehicle. Before you do anything, if you have larger tires, I would suggest coming out here, finding where your tire rating is. There you go. Here's my tire rating. Find where your tire rating is and take a photo of it, because in order for them to raise your speed limit, they are going to have to see a photo of the tire that you're using on the truck. Once you've taken a photo of your tire, you can go ahead and plug in your Easy Flash cable to your OBD port down here. You're going to want to go to Vehicle Info. You're going to go down to here, Show Module Info, and ECM. Now I'm not going to show you mine because I don't need anybody to have my VIN number or anything like that, but you click on that and you'll get a security code. And again, this is for trucks that are 17 plus. They're going to need this in order to write you a tune. Okay, so the setup process is pretty easy. I did have a bit of a confusion when I first opened the program, but I've since figured it out. So you're going to want to connect the Easy Flash cable to your OBD port down there. You're going to want to download and open the file. Make sure the vehicle is in the on position but not running. Okay, so as you can see, I'm connected. It is now rewriting the program and calibration for my vehicle. So I'm just going to make sure that my laptop doesn't fall asleep by using the mouse. You can set it up to make sure that it doesn't go to sleep while this is doing. But for now, I'm just going to continue to do circles. And once it's done, I will unplug. We will start this beast up and go for a ride and see how she feels. Okay, there she goes. It looks like it is complete. Press OK to finish, will do. Go ahead and press that. And I believe the truck has restarted. So let's unplug this and go for a ride and see what we think. There's not a whole lot I can tell you about what the tune does. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you look on Trifecta's website, you'll see that they change shift patterns in the 16s and 15s, and they're able to also do some calibrations on the 17 pluses. The throttle detent, there's almost none. As soon as you step on it, you get instant power. You know, it's little things like that. You are getting about, I think it's 31 horsepower or 25 horsepower. I don't know. I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can see what actually gains you should be expected to see if you were to dyno it. But even as I'm driving here, you guys can probably tell it's shifting a lot smoother. It's a lot quicker. My throttle application is almost zero, and I can go from a dead stop to, you know, 100 kilometers an hour, which is what, like 60 miles an hour for you guys, in a lot less time than what it used to be. So I don't want to drag this video out like some other content creators. It's just not who I am. So I'll give you guys kind of just take a look at what Trifecta has on their website. I'll even post a screenshot to it while I'm talking. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, before you do anything else, getting this tuned is probably easily top 5 things to do. And I hate doing a top 5 thing, but it's up there. It's pretty remarkable what you can do with tuning these days and just simply getting into the ECU. So, or the ECM, I should say. It's no longer a ECU. Okay, let's go jump on it and see how she does.